Alright, y'all, what's the deal, man? It's JT back with another video. I know I've been absent with the videos. I was supposed to be making them every day, but better late than never. So as you can see, yesterday I made $494. Today I'm at $400.80. It is Wednesday, May 21st. Course drops. I really want to drop the course tomorrow, but the guaranteed date is on my birthday, which is May 30th. So I might try to get the course out by tomorrow night, by the 22nd. But if not, it'll be May 30th at the latest. Let me refresh the screen first. Show you all these real results. You can see I went up $3 more. So far for this month, $6,000 using nothing but free freaking traffic, man. So if you go to my TikTok account, I got 15.9 thousand followers. My latest video I just uploaded earlier got 2,600 views. So that was 9 hours ago. This one got 10K views, 15K, 5,000, 6,000, 24,000, 3,500, 5,300, 2,000, 47,000, almost 6,000, 3,000, 2,800, 1,800, blah, blah. God damn. 237,000, I didn't even know that. 27,000, blah, 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 80,000, 35,000, 64,000. So that's when I started all this stuff. So that was on... that was April 25th when I've been testing out this strategy. And if I go to my Instagram account, got 113,000 followers. I actually lost 1,000 followers. I think I had like 114, but 1,000 views on this one. That was earlier, 9 hours ago. 2,900, 4,500, 34, blah, 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 blah. If I wasn't shadow banned on this account, because they only showing my videos only to my followers. If I wasn't shadow banned on this account, the results you seeing right here will probably be doubled. Let me refresh it one more time, see if we made another commission. All right, so we still at 403. Whoop-de-whoop. Yeah, course launch will either be tomorrow. I'm going to try my best to make it on Wednesday, the 22nd. I know a lot of y'all want to get access to it and get up and running. I will leave the link in the description or in the comment section down below to get 50% off. All you got to do is join the Facebook group and leave your email in the membership questions area, and I'm gonna basically show you how to do the results that I'm oh yeah, and the price point gonna be $50. But yeah, the course is gonna show you how I'm able to get these type of results using nothing but free traffic. And to be honest, I've been BSing a lot because I've been drinking a lot. My birthday coming up, and I'm not even giving this 100% yet. But after my birthday, I'm super locked in. I got a week and a half left before my birthday shenanigans is over with. Once June hit, I got nothing better to do but create content. So 400 plus 494, what's that, about almost $900 in the last 24 hours, and it's still an hour left in today. Let me refresh it again. Still at 403. Okay, that's cool. But yeah, to get 50% off during launch week, you got to join the Facebook group and leave your email and the membership questions. If you got any questions about this course or whatever I got going on, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to get a video out tomorrow as well as the course, and I will see y'all in the next video.